States also flying live fire engines out there, and we're due to deploy in Scotland next year. And so as you can see, obviously you can see it flying off there now. So it does give me great pleasure, ladies and gentlemen, to introduce you all. One thing to remember about the Apache is whenever you've seen it, they've already seen you. With its targeting, acquisition and designation system, known as the TADS, the Apache is itself now to start the display. This is going to be your first good photo opportunity during this, to come to our high hover crowd centre. Today, Afghanistan this January, deploying again in 2030. The remaining training platform around the place having deployed the last time. Now looking closely at the ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to see is the ability to transfer high speed. The Apache will rapidly accelerate from 90 degrees nose down. This is a technique to allow the aircraft both to conceal itself and lose position seen by the enemy. Or in this case, to allow them to reposition for the next aircraft. In fact, the Apache crews are trained to fly over 25 foot at speed at night, negotiating between trees and under power lines in order to conceal their advance from the enemy. See the Apache now moving into a pedal turn, which is very similar to a stall turn on fixed-wing aircraft. See, allowing a quick 180-degree turn, bringing its weapons to bear. Most helicopters around the world will employ designed to fly and sold for a number of dollars. The aircraft is going to be unlike most aircraft that require a wide turning area, actually they would perform a wing over such as you see now, bringing the weapons quickly to bear upon the enemy. Now one of those weapon systems at the disposal of the crew is the Hellfire air-to-surface missile, capable of defeating targets up to 8 kilometers away. The Apache has two guided variants of the Hellfire, a laser guided variant and a radar variant. Flying away from the crowd centre, will soon be setting up for another wing over. Another way to this capability at the disposal of the crew is the aerial rocket system. There are 4 variants of rockets deployed by the British Army. Each rocket pod can hold a mixed variant of 19 rockets, giving the crew the option to fire anything from a single rocket to up to 76 rockets at once. It's devastating effect. Of course, the crew is showing today crew now setting up for what I think is one of the most stomach-churning manoeuvres for the front seat of the aircraft. The second ground passage now moving where 90 degrees goes up, medium and followed by 90 degrees goes south. Both crew members have a monocle in front of their right eye that acts as a heads-up display, showing key flying instrument information. The system also acts as a targeting device. The aircraft systems are slave to the pilot's head, meaning the aircraft knows and tracks where both pilots are looking at all times. Okay, you're now setting up what's going to be the best photo opportunities for you now as it completes its low-level movements. Again, unique to helicopters is the ability to fly in all directions, including backwards. The aircraft is capable of turning around 60 degrees whilst the aircraft targets with planes and below without even changing track and touching the flying controls. Advance on the enemy while staying below radar tracking facilities. Certainly her for the race plays above. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the attack helicopter force, the British we'd also like to thank Felix Galileo, Martin Cambridge, our sponsors of this year. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the 2012 attack helicopter display team. They take it out.